Hello everyone, this is VII from Sri Brahma Academy. Number System, Unit 1. Under that we are going to see decimals. Class 7, TNSCRT, which is SAMACHEER KALVI. Let's begin. Decimals. What is a decimal? So you can see a number is written over there, 5734.912. Here the whole number and the fraction number are separated by a dot is called a decimal number. The total number, we call it as decimal number. Actually, decimal is a way to represent the fraction number. I'm going to give two important points under decimal. The number which comes before the decimal point, we call it as whole number part or integral part. The number which comes after a decimal point, we call it as fractional part or decimal part. So another one important thing I just need to say. Important note is every fraction can be written as decimal and vice versa. Means every decimal can be written as fraction also. Place value chart on decimals. Okay. Now I'll write the basic digit ones. Okay. Ones. And then the next one is tens. Next place. The next place is hundreds. Next place is thousand. Okay. Now I just wanted to tell one thing very important. From ones place, if you move to the tens place, okay, moving from right to left, we have to multiply by 10. It is actually 10 times greater. Okay, tens place is 10 times greater than ones place. Am I clear? Similarly, for each place if you are moving, it should be 10 times. Each place. If suppose I am doing, like, carefully listen this one, ones is nothing but the value for the place is 1. 1, I'm just moving to the left part, 1 step. Okay, to tens place. 1 into 10 is what? 10. Okay. Again I'm going to move from tens place to hundreds place. Okay. 10 into 10 is what? 10 into 10 is 100. The same way. 100 into 10, 1000. So you got the place and the respective value for each place. Now I'm going to teach the vice versa case for this. Look at here, from thousands place, I'm just going towards right, from left to right. I have to do division by 10. I think you got it. 1000 divided by 10. Carefully listen. 1000 divided by 10, we get 100. Similarly, 100 divided by 10, we get 10. 10 divided by 10, we get 1. Then 1 divided by 10 is what? 1 by 10. What is this 1/10? What is this 1/10? We call it as tenth. Tenth place. Okay. 1 by 10. Again, when you divide it by 10, you get 100. Okay, this is nothing but small h. I'm just denoting with small h because we need to know the difference, right? Similarly, the next place we get it as 1000. Okay, this is 100. I write it here because 1000 also we need to get it 100, and this is called as 1000. Okay, I think you got very clear. Now these two parts I'm going to keep a dot and give the decimal. This is the decimal. How to read a decimal number? The same example we see. 5734.912. You may think, see over here, the whole number we are giving a place value and we are reading it. Okay, that is 5734 point. Look at here very clearly. The decimal part, fractional part, we should just read that number as digits. How we read? As it is we have to read. Like 9 as 9, 1 as 1, 2 as 2. That is the reason we have to call out the decimals like 5734.912. For the decimal part, we should not give place value for reading alone. Okay, we are not supposed to read like 5734.912. that is wrong way of reading. So you have to read it. The correct method of reading is 5734.912. How to represent a decimal number pictorially? You can see the slide. The first one, the place, 10th place we'll see. Okay, 10th place. The picture is in the form of square sheet. Okay, red color square sheet. Now I'll just tell you from that red color square sheet how the next place is formed. Okay, the picture. See, if you take the red color square sheet, you just visualize like this. Take a square sheet, that red color square sheet, and keep it one after the other. Okay, like that you need to take 10 square sheets and you have to arrange them like that. You get a pile, right? That is a block. That block is nothing but we give a place, ones place. Okay, this even you can compare with the beginning of the video. You saw like what is meant by place value chart. Okay, like from the right place towards the left hand side, the next place to move, it is actually 10 times larger. Am I right? So this is the exact concept for arranging 10 sheets to pile up together so that we get a block, ones place block. Okay, yeah, similarly we have to get the next place box. Okay, the next place, how will you find out? Each one block is there now, ones place block. Like that you need to arrange 10 blocks one upon the other so that we get a one column block. That one column block is denoting tens place. Okay, this is the exact pictorial representation of decimal number. Now you can see the below one, 3 ones place block given, 3 blocks are given, so it is 3 ones, and 2 square sheet, red color square sheets are given, that is 2 tenths. So we call the decimal number as
3.2. Okay, now we'll move on to the decimal examples. Okay, how to representing decimal number pictorially. We'll move on to the example so that you will understand more clearly. You can see 3 tens are there in this. That is nothing but 3 tens, and there is no ones block and no tens column block. So what we should do, we have to put 0 in the whole number part, and your fractional part you will get 3 because 3 tens are there. Similarly, we'll go on to the next sum. You have 3 block and then 6, I think 6, yeah, 6 sheets are there, square sheets are there. So we call it as 3 ones and 6 tens is nothing but 3.6. The next one is like you can see 2 blocks are there, ones blocks are there. So the whole number is 2. Okay, 7 square sheets are there now. So 7 tenths. The decimal number is 2.7. The last 11.4. How it is 11.4? Come on, let's see. One column is there, full block column. That we denote it for tens place. So 1 tens place, and one block is there, that denotes for one's column, one's place. The next is you have 4 square sheets. 4 square sheets is nothing but 4 tens. So the whole number part is 1 tens is 10 plus 1 1 is 1. 10 plus 1, 11. The fractional part is 4 tenths. So nothing but 0.4. Am I clear? 11.4. Exercise 1.1. The first problem, first subdivision problem. One column block is there, right? So it is 1 tenths. 2 blocks are given. So 2 ones. 2 red square sheets are given. So that is nothing but 2 tenths. So now the whole number part is what? 1 tens, 2 ones is nothing but 12. Okay. 2 tenths are given. So that is 0.2. 12.2 is the answer. Now this first problem, second subdivision problem. How to solve? Let us see. 2 column blocks are given. So that is 2 tens. 1 block is given, 1 ones. 3 sheets are given over here, square sheets. So that is 3 tenths, which is nothing but 2 column block is 20. 1 block is 1. 20 more 1 is 21. 3 tens are nothing but 0.3. So the answer is 21.3. Thank you for your time. Before I end, let us go for recap. Decimals, introduction, decimal place value chart. To read a decimal number, pictorial representation of a decimal numbers. In exercise 1.1, solve the first problem. Once again, thank you. Leave me a comment below. Give it a like and remember to subscribe to this channel for future videos. Until my next video, bye-bye.